How to tips and tricks for achieving success at the age of 35 to 40 years. This is a crucial period in our lives as we transition from one phase of our careers to the next. Remember, success is not a one-size-fits-all concept, but rather a personal journey that is unique to each individual. 1. Set clear goals. Begin by identifying what you want to achieve in both your personal and professional life. Break these down into smaller, manageable milestones and create a timeline to reach them. This will give you a sense of direction and help you stay focused on your objectives. 2. Develop a growth mindset. Embrace challenges, learn from your mistakes, and continuously seek opportunities for improvement. This mindset will help you adapt to change and overcome obstacles that may arise on your path to success. 3. Build strong relationships. Networking is essential for achieving success in your 40s. Connect with people in your industry and leverage their expertise to expand your knowledge and perspectives. Be open to mentorship and collaborate with others to create a positive impact. Stay informed and adapt. The business landscape is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Attend conferences, read industry publications, and take courses to enhance your skills and stay ahead of the curve. 5. Prioritize self-care. Taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being is essential for maintaining success. Exercise regularly, eat a balanced diet, get enough sleep, and practice stress management techniques. A healthy lifestyle fuels your productivity and creativity. 6. Invest in your time. Allocate specific time slots for work and personal activities. This will help you maintain a balanced lifestyle and avoid burnout, which can hinder your progress. 7. Be persistent and patient. Success rarely comes without effort. Embrace challenges and remain committed to your goals, even when faced with setbacks. Remember, persistence and patience will eventually pay off. In conclusion, achieving success at the age of 35 to 40 years requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn and grow. By following these tips and tricks, you can embark on your personal journey towards success and achieve your goals.